Welcome to Thrill and Giggles, where we turn your giggling into full-blown laughter. Prepare for the ultimate test of your funny bone with our Try Not to Laugh videos. Before we begin, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification button below.
𝐒𝐿𝐴のさ、昨日したやつさ、実際こっちの方がいいと思うんだけど、まあそれかこっちだよね。こっちの方がぶっちゃけ無難っちゃ無難なんだよね。あ、ちょっとごめん。あ、もしもしお世話になってます。はい、あ、お疲れ様です。はい。はい。
Pues dice que se subió aquí y que... Kanta? Bahong hype. Tidak ikut. Tagaw.
Babay ka dyan! Babay ka dyan na!
Pinako pala isa. Pinako. Stepin niya pinako. Nagbibigtang na yun. Nagbibigtang ko. Kapit. Ito na ako.
I am reporting you.
Please report me.
Thank you for calling technical support. My name is Mike. How may I assist you today?
I'm sorry, what's your name again?
Mike, sir.
Oh, Mike. Hi, Mike. Well, I'm running a business here, and I just need to get in touch with the telephone service company because I need to ask them to install another phone jack here at our office. Can you help me with that, please?
I understand the situation you need to, sir, but before anything else, can I have your 10-digit DSL number, please?
Is that my telephone number?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that would be 586-952-1654.
If I heard it right, 516-952-185.
No, that would be 586-952-1654.
586-952-16545.
No, I said 586-952-1645. Again, for the nth time, it would be 548-965-2365.
586-952-14565.
You're not getting it. The number is 548-965-2365.
548-2365.
For the millionth time,
I'm sorry, sir.
it's 548-965-2365.
548-965-2365.
You got it. Thank God.
Sorry for that, sir. Would this be a good call back number as well?
What?
This could be a callback number as well.
A callback?
Yeah, a good callback number as well.
No, you can call me on my cell phone number.
Yeah, what's the number, sir?
658-965-7424. Get it?
586-964-557.
No, you're making up numbers. It's 658-965-7424. Is there a problem? Can you not hear me there in your end?
Loud and clear, sir.
So why can't you get my number correctly?
Yeah, 658-965-7424.
Yes, you got it. Thank God.
May I know your name, please?
This is Mr. Rolling Pin.
Mr. Rolling Pin. Alright, Mr. Rolling Pin?
I'm sorry?
Mr. Rolling Pin?
Yes.
Yeah.
So what are we going to do now? Is this the telephone service company?
Telephone service company. Can I put you on hold for a couple of minutes? I'm going to check on for the telephone number or the cell number.
Yeah, okay. Just make it quick, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you for staying on the line, Mr. Pin.
Yes.
I have here the telephone number that you've been asking for. Do you have any pen or paper on hand?
Yes, I do have one here.
Yeah, the telephone number is 888-321-2775.
What?
888-231-2775.
Okay.
Is there anything else I can do with it, sir?
I really don't understand you, but can you just transfer me over to that department, please?
Okay, cool, sir. Can I put you...
Everything is okay. Just call this number.
Okay, sir. Thank you for calling technical support. This is Mike speaking. How may I help? I'm lost.
I'm sorry? What did you say? Hello?
Hello, sir. Again, it's me, Mike. Thank you for calling Bell South Support.
Okay. I don't know what's happening to you. I think you're drunk or something. I really don't know, but don't worry. I'll just call this number, get in touch with the representative. Don't mind or don't even transfer me to that department, okay?
Okay, sir. Thank you.
All right, bye.
Right here you have an American socket. Canadian American.
Oh, but here you have a Chinese socket. Oh, so good.
I guess you wonder where I've been. I searched to find the love within. I came back to let you know. Got a thing for you, and I can't let go.
These are the best and most adorable videos on the internet. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and push the notification button. See you in the next episode.